Hello and welcome back to mathsplus. Today we're covering the Leaving Cert 2022 Mathematics Higher Level Question 1. Let's have a quick look at the first question. It relates to the roots of a quadratics. Part A. Find the two values of m as the element of z for which the following equation has exactly one solution. This particular case means that the discriminant will be equal to 0. So let's write the condition b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is a condition for two equal real roots. Let's take our a, b and c. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus m, and c is equal to plus 3. Therefore, m squared minus 4ac, which is 3 by 3, is equal to 0. So m squared is equal to 36. M is equal to the square root of 36, which is plus or minus 6. And these are the two values of m. Explain why the following equation in x has no real solutions. So the condition for no real solutions would be b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, and that condition applies to two unreal roots. So there's two ways of solving this. The first way, let's look at the numbers. So if this is in parabolic form, we can express it out, multiply out of brackets and reformat it into quadratic form. So let's square out the brackets. So we'll get 2x plus 3 all to be squared plus 7 is equal to 0. Let's multiply out the brackets. So we'll get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 0. 4x squared plus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can obtain a, b, and c for our discriminant up here. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to plus 12, and c is equal to plus 16. Now let's do b squared minus 4ac. Let's check out, does this condition hold true for these numbers. So we'll get 12 squared minus 4 by a, which is 4, by c, which is 12. So let's check all of those. So it'll give you 144, and minus 4 by 12 will give by 16. By 4 by 16 will give 256, and that's equal to minus 1, 1, 2, which is less than 0. Okay, so there's no real solutions, and that's proven. The other way would be to just look at the min point of the graph, and the min point of this graph would be setting the root to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 over 2. That's in the x direction. And the y part of the coordinate would be plus 7. So that's a min point. Okay, as you can see, the quadratic doesn't cross over the x-axis. It doesn't cross over this, so there's no real solutions. Let's go on to the next part. Show that x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution. Let's substitute it in. 3 by minus 1 ought to be squared plus 2 by minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. On the left hand side we'll get a result of 6. So 6 is not equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution. Okay, so we get. Alright, so let's look at the next part. If we have to divide in dx plus 1, let's see what we get. X plus 1 into 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. Let's divide it in and we will get 3x for the first multiplier, 3x plus 3x below, subtract, and we will get a negative x below here. Change the signs and then bring down your plus 5. Okay, and now x into minus x is minus 1. We'll multiply back and we get minus x minus 1. Subtract again and we will get a plus 6. Okay, so it's the same as the result above, and we could see that the 3x plus 1 replaces the ax plus b, and the c will be a6. Makes sense? That's question 1 of 2022 Leave and Cert Higher Level Paper 1, question 1. Thank you for watching Maths Plus.